Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing some Kundalini yoga. First we're going to begin with the chant Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And it's said like this, you can sing it with me. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Then you should be feeling very peaceful. And yes, so this is a 10-minute Kundalini yoga session, and as you breathe in, chant Sat, and as you breathe out, chant Nam in your mind. Or you can chant out loud, but I guess it's kind of hard whilst you're breathing. So first we're going to be starting by sitting like this, and you just hold your knees and you breathe in forward and breathe out back. And you just do that for a little while. Okay, ready? At the end, you breathe in, hold your breath, squeeze your buttocks, and then to trap all the energy that you've created whilst doing the yoga, and you hold your breath, and then you hold it for a few seconds, then you breathe out. And then the next move is this. You put your arms like this, and you breathe in left, and then you breathe out right. Hold the breath. And then breathe out. Next move that we're going to be doing is this. You hold your arms like this and you breathe in left and you breathe out right. So you go like... Okay, now do it with me. Breathe in. And then breathe out. Okay, so the next move, you're going to need to use the breath of fire for this move. And if you don't know what the breath of fire is, it's basically where you pump in and out your belly with quick breaths from your nose. So you go like this. Go like this, like. That is the breath of fire. So for this move, we're going to need the breath of fire. So you spread out your legs, and then you raise your arms upwards. Breathe in as you go up, and as you go down, breathe out. Breathe in. Then as you go down, holding one leg, do the breath of fire. Let's go like this. Breathe in. Squeeze your buttocks. Then breathe out. Now next leg. Breathe in, go down. Now do the breath of fire. Squeeze the buttocks. Then breathe out. So this is the last move, and this is one of my favorite moves. So you hold your arms like this, and this is called Ego Eradicator. And you do the breath of fire again. So I actually did this for about 10 minutes straight, and literally you feel so powerful afterwards. So yes, we're gonna start now. Breathe in, bring your thumbs together. Hold it. Then breathe out. With your hands in prayer pose. To end this Kundalini yoga session, we're going to be singing a song which I learnt from my Kundalini yoga teacher when I used to go to his classes. I haven't actually been to one of them in ages. I don't know if he still does classes, but this is the song that we sung at the end of each session. So it goes like this. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure lights within you guide your way on. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this Kundalini yoga session. Satnam and Namaste. Peace. Subscribe, like my video, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!